Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our fifth question. What is that question here is, they are given one map and four friends are there. They are seated in one classroom at four different positions. So two of the friends, Jarina and Funny. Jarina asked that we are seated in the manner of square shape. So she is telling that four places if you join, then it's making one square. After that, Funny will accept or not, we need to find. So we have to find the given points, seating positions that will make square or not. So if you observe carefully for the given figure graph, so from x-axis and y, if you take x and y points, A at 3, 4. So A at 3, 4, these are the points of xy positions. A at 3, 4 and B at 6, 7 and C at 9, 4 and D at 6, 1 positions. Now let's find the distances between all the vertices. So let's going to join all these points. It will make square or not, we need to know. So these are the diagonals and these are the sides. So let's going to take AB first. What is the length of AB? So let's going to take, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2 and this is x3 y3 and this is x4 y4. So these are the vertices. So what is the distance between, what is the length between the 2 points? Let's going to take length or AB distance. So what is the distance formula? Distance formula is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the distance formula. So whatever x2, y2, whatever it is. So let's going to take first one, AB length. First one, length of AB, that is equal to, what are the coordinates? 3, 4, A and 6, 7. So x1 y1 and x2 y2. So let's going to take x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the formula for that. So what is the x2? x2 is 6 minus x1 is 3 whole square plus y2 is 7, 7 minus 4 whole square. Then what is this? So here we are getting 6 minus 3 is nothing but 3 square plus 7 minus 4 is also 3 square under square root. Then what you can write it here is 2, 3 square, 2, 3 square under square root. So one formula is there, since square root of AB will be equal to square root of A into square root of B. So this formula we need to know. So we are dividing this one as it is, square root of 2 and square root of 3 square. Square root will going to cancel, then 3 root 2. What is this? Centimeter. Let's take, this is first one, 3 root 2. So we have found that AB length, that is 3 root 2 centimeters are there. Like that, all the sides we need to find in order to say the sitting positions arrangements are in the shape of square. So let's going to take another one, second one. Let's going to take second one. So BC, length of BC, or so let's going to take length of BC. So what are the BC, x2 and x3 format? If you observe, we took as x2 and x3, y2 and y3. So what is that? 6, 7, 9, 4. So this one, let's going to write formula for this. What is that? Square root of x3 minus x2 whole square plus y3 minus y2 whole square. Why? Because here y3 x2. So based on that, bigger minus smaller whole square plus, like that for the each coordinate. So let's going to substitute. Square root of x3 is what? 9 minus 6 whole square plus y3 is what? y4 minus 7 whole square. So 9 minus 6 is 3 square plus, what is this? 4 minus 7 is nothing but minus 3 whole square. Minus 3 whole square will become 3 square plus 3 square. Why? Because minus into minus will become plus. So for that, you can take this one as it is, 9 plus 9. You can do another manner, 9 plus 9, that will be equal to 18. Again, you can write in the format of square root of 9 into 2, and again divide with this formula, square root of 9 into square root of 2. Square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 2 centimeters. So this is also 3 root 2. That is also 3 root 2. We got it. Next one. Third one. Let's going to take third one. What is that? 9, 4 and 6, 1. So let's going to take here length of CD. So what formula here we are getting? What are the coordinates? The coordinates are, so what is that? 9 minus 4 and 6 minus 1. 9, 4 and 6, 1. So let's going to write, this is the formula. What is the formula? x4 minus x3. So here x4 and x3. Let's going to take x4 minus x3 whole square plus y4 minus y3 whole square. So let's going to substitute. x4 is nothing but 6 minus 9 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. So minus 3 whole square plus minus 3 whole square. Why? Because here 6 minus 9, it will become minus 3. So now 3 square plus 3 square and 2 3 square, 2 3 square and 2 into here root 2 3 square root, it will going to cancel. Then what is that? 3 root 2 centimeters. 3 root 2 centimeters. So this is CD. This is the length of CD. Anyway, we got here 4 sides. 4 sides, not 3 sides are equal to each other. Now let's going to calculate fourth one. So fourth one, what is that? DA. DA, length of DA. So length of DA. So what are the coordinates? 6, 1 and 3, 4. 6, 3, 4 and 6, 1. So x4 and x1. So let's going to write what is the formula for this. The formula is square root of x4 minus x1 whole square plus y4 minus y1 whole square. So x4 is nothing but 6 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. So what value we are getting here? So in this one, so let's going to take square root, keep it as it is, 3 square plus of minus 3 whole square. So 3 square plus 3 square we will get, then 2 3 square, then square root of 2 square root of 3 square will going to cancel, then 3 root 2 centimeters. So what is this? 3 root 2. 3 root 2. So anyway, here all the sides are equal to each other. Again we have to find what are the diagonals lengths. So lengths of diagonals. So these are the sides. So these are the sides checking. These are the sides, and we need to find now diagonals. Diagonals are equal to each other or not. So first diagonal, what is that here? BD and AC. So AC and BD are diagonals. We need to find that two are equal or not. So AC, without writing directly, we're going to calculate the length of AC. So AC length diagonal 1 will be equal to A and C. It is nothing but square root of what you can say, x3 minus x1 whole square plus y3 minus y1 whole square. So let's going to substitute all the values. Then x3 is nothing but what? 9 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus, what is that? So 4 minus 4, both are in 4 minus 4 will become 0. So 6 square plus 0 under square root, square will going to cancel. Then what is this? 6 centimeters. So AC is nothing but 6 centimeters. So this is 6 AC. Same like that. So here also BD. So let's going to calculate BD length. Second diagonal, first one BD What is that? What is the x4 and x2? Let's going to write the formula. So x4 and x2, square root of x4 minus x2 whole square plus y4 minus y2 whole square. So square root of x4 is nothing but what? 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6 whole square plus 7 minus 1 minus 7, whatever it is. So 1 minus 7 whole square. Now 0 square plus minus 6 whole square, and what you can get? 6 square. Square root will going to cancel, then it is also 6 centimeters. So what is this? This is also 6. Now what you can say here is, finally the conclusion is all the sides, that is therefore AB will be equal to BC will be equal to CD will be equal to DA, and here diagonal sides. So sides are equal and diagonals. So diagonals, what are the diagonals? AC and BD. AC equal to BD. Then therefore ABCD is a square. Yes, Jarina is correct. ABCD is forming a square. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and try to share with your friends and family members.